Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be working with the Nishman texturizing sea salt spray. Stay tuned for more tips. Nishman sea salt spray is a specially formulated hair texturizing product, has similar effects to seawater, it helps to have voluminous hair without frizziness, it has keratin and aloe vera extracts, it creates all day long style.
One thing I taught myself to do, no matter the problem, refuse to lose. So, how you want it, man, you can choose. If you can't take the heat, don't light the fuse. See, I walk in slow and ignite the room. Like fire, everything I touch, I consume. I'm getting up while y'all just snooze. While you make breakfast, man, I'm on the move. I'm the first one in and the last one out. Whoever owns the place gotta drag me out. In me I trust, yeah, I smell like success, this Elon Musk, huh? Everybody wanna be like us, we don't stop, cause the top just ain't enough, huh? I ain't never gave no fucks, I ain't scared, man, you know black men.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products, stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Bye bye.